Welcome back to By The Official. Today I'm going to teach you how to create table into Microsoft Word. Yes, Microsoft Word latest version. So before we start, like this video, subscribe to stay connected with us, and make share after the end video. Let's start. By using your computer, press Windows button and then type Word. Yes, or my Word. The what? Word. Microsoft Word, and then open it. The Word. Then when you click on blank document, new, and then go to blank document. Yes, you have the nothing here. That's the blank page. So you navigate on this insert near the home and design, and then press insert. Come on the table. Here there are four ways. Yes, there are four ways to create a table. First, it is to use this default. You should do select here. Do you want this is the number of columns, and this is the number of rows. For example, we need a table with columns, names, table names, phones, and the telephone. But it must require to be know how to count the columns and the rows, like this, for example. Yes. Yes, but we should create another table in this way. Insert a table and then to click insert a table. Click insert a table. When you click on insert a table, you see the number of columns. The number of columns, it is the vertical numbers, vertical pages. For example, you need names, you need phone, you need email. Those are the number of columns, and then rows are the number of data will be inserted in table. For example, you have the 50 students, we will have rows of 50. Yes, and then click on OK. After click OK, you see that this is our table, and here this is actually names and what. But there is another way to create a table. You come in insert table and then draw. Yes, draw. You left click and then scroll your mouse. Yes, and you make a columns. Yes, yeah, where do you want. So this is the way you can create a different type of tables. Yes, but now let's insert data into table. Names, yes, phone, email, and what. We bury the official. Phone number as example, then email bar@gmail.com. like this. Yes, and you remember to save your file. So you come on the file, save as on the first time, click on browse, and then choose on desktop, and then click on save. That you've done. This is our file. This is our file, and you can open it and edit. Yes. Yeah, I think this is how to create. This is how to create a table into Microsoft Word. If this video helps you, please like, subscribe to stay connected with us, and share with your friends, students, families, teachers, lecturers, and many other people who need digital skills for using in their world modern. Yes, bye bye. God bless you.